Just a little peek at our stash. So many beautiful rocks. That's a nice thing to find on my way out. Hey everybody, welcome to Katie Did Rocks. I'm here with my friend Mary, and look who we've got! It's Mr. Did! And we're gonna go rock hunting on Mary's ranch. Come along. Well, here we are at Mary's beach again. And we were here just a little bit ago with Theo, and now we're here with Jim, because Mary is the best. It's a beautiful day, and we are expecting winter weather soon, so we're very delighted to get going on this. GoPro, stop recording.
Agate of the day.
Hey, that's even a nice one. It's not even like a little weenie one or anything.
Oh, is that what I usually find? Is that what you're saying?
I didn't say that at all. Well, here's my first agate of the day. It's not nearly as nice as Jim's or even Mary's, because Mary just found this. Oh, she found another one. Everybody's on except me. Nice. Look at those. Aren't they pretty? This is really an interesting piece of jasper. It looks, right here, it looks like wood. Guessing it's probably a limb cast. They got filled with jasper. That would be good for a little dome polish on the front there. That'd be very cool. Now this is very interesting. Oh, look at that. Huh. It's waterline, but then it has a lump of regular agate on top of it. That's very cool. You can see this one glowing in the sunshine a little bit. That's a nice chunky chunk. Ooh, I love how it's sort of smooth and curved on this side. And I think, actually, if I can figure out where I saw it again, there's another one just right here. Look at that. Oh, there's another one. They're almost like twins. This is madness. Is this another one? Maybe not. Nope, that's kind of a near agate. Wow. It's close though. Is this? Oh my goodness, I think this is a wannabe. I thought this was an agate for sure, but it's a milk agate. Oh well. That's a kind of interesting one. That is a nice little agate. It's got lots going on there. What about this one? I think that's an agate. Ooh, I hope it is. Ooh, I think it is. Let's see. Oh, it's another limb cast. Is it an agate though, or is it like chert? Oh, it's not an agate, but I'm going to keep it anyway because it has this really cool center. It's obviously a limb cast. It's going to look cool, cleaned up. And we just picked this one up out of here. It's kind of a cool lumpy bumpy one. Jim's got something. Oh, look at that. That's really cool. I love the brakes on it.
And there.
That is wonderful. Agates too.
And just a little
And a couple little cool ones.
piece of wood.
Nice.
This one was worth showing off.
Yeah, for sure. I like it a lot.
Shiny end.
Okay, okay, stop. You're squirting me. I think I spy another one. This is a nice chunky one. Oh, yeah. Cool. I usually cover a lot of ground when I am hunting, and Mary and Jim are kind of more like stay in a similar spot. Mary's over there by the knot of wood and Jim is over here by the edge. And so I'm making myself not go so far away. And I think it might actually be, I might be actually finding more in each spot just because I'm looking harder. So, you know, there's good things about staying in one place. This one looks kind of interesting. Let's see how hard it's going to be to get out. Not too bad. Another chunky chunk. Oh, look at that. It's got a little cave inside. This is a piece of porphyry, which I won't pick up, but I just wanted to show you these huge crystals inside of the little crystals. I think that's really neat. Look at this piece of jasper. All those beautiful swirls. That is really nice. And Mary and I were just having a conversation about the big plume agate that Theo found. She was showing me some that she had, and look at this. This is just beautiful. Another plume agate. Plume agate. Just for the captions, because we don't know how to say plume agate. When you say, if you have captions on YouTube and you're looking at a sea maggot, it says sea maggot.
I just like all of them because I could just stick them in my rock garden. It doesn't have to be. But see, this is agate.
A lot of the stuff on the Yellowstone is just pure, beautiful silica that comes in all kinds of colors. Here is another plume. That's neat. Look at this lovely jasper. Not so lovely on that side. We'll wash it off. Finding a number of these kind of darker, I guess that's probably jasper. I was thinking it was more agate than that. Well, it's kind of neat anyway. Jim has found this beautiful piece of petrified wood that has kind of a partial rings, growth rings around. That's really nice. Very cool.
It's like Pac-Man.
I think that Jim just found a horn coral. It's really, really pretty.
I think you just made that up.
Yeah, maybe. I've never found one like that before. That's cool. Oh, is it an agate or is it a near agate? It's kind of a, ooh, it's a water line. That's why it looked kind of milky, because it's filled with a water line. How pretty. And literally 1 foot away is this. And it's a little bit clear. It's another water line. Wow, that's so fun. That's a nice one. Hiding in the dirt. Go. Let's see what this is. Huh. If it's an agate, it's a pretty squished up one. I guess I'll take it home and wash it off. I don't know for sure, but this might be a piece of jasperized wood. It might also just be a really cool piece of jasper. Either way, it's coming home with me. Jim found this really, really cool stromatolite. Boy, we've been finding some great ones lately of these. Oh, and he found a big chunky agate. That must make you feel good.
Yeah. Odd
Nice.
shaped, but it's got
That's
all kinds of different things in it.
That
Little
is
black
really
core.
nice. Very cool.
And this white.
I think that's opal,
thing.
common opal.
Ooh. Nice.
All right, we've got this one here. Oh, uh-oh. It's a little deeper than I thought. There we go. I like it when they get the little rocks stuck in them. And over here, I wanted to take a look at this. Oh, look at that. I think it's another agate. This one has a nice quartz pocket in the middle of it. That's great. Oh, that's lovely. I love the ones with quartz pockets in them because they're so glowy. They're not great for cutting, but they sure are good for window sitting. Mary just found this really cool water line, and she says it was standing up like that on the beach. Just like, hey, take me, Mary, take me.
Butterscotch.
It wants to go home with you. Is this? Nope, it's a milk agate. I thought it was going to be a really big chunky one, but unfortunately, it's got too much color in it. It's kind of funny, like most people are looking for color, huh? I think I got to go refill my bottle. Well, I picked this up because it had the agate skin, and I've had some stuff that's dark like this, but it actually has these kind of lines in it. It's just a really pretty jasper. I can't wait to wash it off and show you. Speaking of things sticking up out of the ground, That's a cute little guy. Check this out. Jim found this beautiful piece of agatized wood. Whoa, that is a chunk. Really nice. This is cool, huh? Look at how lumpy bumpy that is. It's just a little nodule, but I really like it. It's like this one's a waterline agate. Kind of cool. And then I think there might be another one right over here. No, I think that's a wannabe. Too bad. Just a little peek at our stash, part of our stash. All because of Mary. Mary says these are ugly, but look at this. Jim found this one, she found this one, and they're like twins. It's really kind of amazing. That's very cool. Well, I'm glad you guys found the sisters and are keeping them together. I mean, you're keeping them from being separated by the river. They can just be separated by us.
That's correct.
Well, we're all very windblown and somewhat filthy, but we had a good time. Thanks for letting us come along, Mary. This was always a blast. All right. Thanks, everybody, for coming along. This is Kate from Katie Did. Keep on doing.